Today on Mad Goblin, we're gonna make a badass monster.
Ouch!
We will be taking what we learned about different resins and how they work from the previous episode and be putting them to practical use.
This will allow us to showcase what they are capable of in a proper setting, instead of just small riverbed samples.
Now, we are in need of a big boss monster for an upcoming D&D game, and this is a perfect opportunity to show just that.
When we were looking for inspiration, we came across this amazing miniature by Multiverse 3D Designs on Thingiverse. They have graciously allowed us to modify it and feature it for this video.
Please go and check out their work. We have the link in the description below. They're incredibly talented and have put a tremendous amount of time making these models. They deserve any support you can give them, whether it's a tip or just a friendly comment to let them know how badass their stuff really is.
We're going to have to modify him from his original form to better suit our encounter. He needs to be a massive and terrifying monster, so we gave him some extra arms, made its mouth and snout a little bit more snake-like, and changed his posture to be a little bit more dynamic.
We'll also be fabricating a custom base that will allow us to add a variety of water effects with resin.
But before we get too carried away, we need to print the miniature. So let's head over to the printer and get this bad boy started. Now that we have printed and painted our miniature, it's time to get ready to start pouring some resin.
We need a base or a container to hold all that resin and keep it from pouring all over the place.
The most common method is to use clear packing tape. However, because of the large base size, its shape tends to warp and deform at this scale.
We're going to use instead is a plastic cut, trimmed to fit. We'll affix it to the base and seal the bottom to prevent anything from leaking.
So, let's get started.
We had a lot of fun using these different resins. We were very impressed with how they all worked, each one allowing you to achieve a different effect, and when you combine them all, it really gives you that professional look.
We hope this helps show you how awesome the resins from our last video really are. It's not that expensive or difficult to take your miniatures to the next level.
Thanks for hanging out with us.
See you later.